is just like.
Damn, look at this one. Damn. Get some lift in your life.
Oh.
Wow.
It's only 210 horsepower, but it's 11,000 RPM.
She's squirrely, baby. She's squirrely, baby. Instant, man. Instant. Oh my God. I don't want to know how fast. Oh. All right. We're in an undisclosed location. I can't say where I'm at, but yeah, there's gonna be some secret gems here. I don't know if I'm gonna record any of it though. This shit is a beast, bro. Dude, the sound is unbelievable.
It is. Dude,
And it's not like annoying. It's like a bah, bah, oh. It just makes you giggle, man. Yeah, that shit is clean, man. You're gonna need some new PPF, bro.
I was talking about it today.
That's crazy.
When I first bought it, we talked about it, and I was like, if I keep it,
These girls looking nice.
We'll respray. Yeah, it sounds good.
Dude, it's amazing, dude. Especially ripping around, dude. You're breaking heads looking at you, dude.
I mean, wide open throttle. There's not many cars.
So I was loving you were cranking. I'm like, yeah, dude, let's go, bro. I didn't want the road to end, dude.
I don't have to worry about a rock chip. I don't worry about nothing. I just drive.
So take it to a classic dealer like Monterey and do $500.
That thing is crazy.
Yeah. Go to Monterey and I'll send you up with the guy down there. Yeah, I'll send you up. I'll give it a sign.
It's for sale. What's the price? What's the price?
28.
28 grand. That's yours. That's it, man. This thing is mint. Oh my God. And it holds up with this guy, so this is the best deal you can get. This thing is nuts, dude. Whew. 28 grand. God dang. Just don't stand behind it when he revs, because it's crazy. Sick, man.
Are you going straight to Sammy or you coming to Sammy? Okay.
Nuts, dude.
You're ready.
Bam, bam, son. Oh my God. Oh. I ain't seen any of this before. A Superleggera? No. Oh my God! What?
Yeah, that's the one that I sent you guys the picture of. Oh yeah, it has it has a G. It has
50.
G50.
So that's the thing about the car. So like it's really weird because the title is 88, and that
Oh my God!
55 is not 89. Okay, and that color was another thing. Okay, so here we have it. It's just a really soft. You know, so I took it to the Porsche Cars and Coffee, and I'm going to be running the call. And I did everything checked out. And then the car back to the car was really white. This is a good thing. We took off the color in the car and we moved the brake.
You ain't never seen this. Unbelievable. There's like no words.
I know.
You just take it all in.
Yeah. The first time I came here, I couldn't.
Yeah.
I've never seen this Ferrari.
Oh no, you're okay. You're okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah.
This is a one-off. It's got
This is
dents
the
are
one
just
wheel
the
off.
right
One
way.
wheel. Wow. Oh, what's going on back here?
Let's see, Oscar, MT54 or something like that. Ernie, well, I don't even know what the designation is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of project.
Wow.
Hopefully it'll be done in 10 years.
Yeah. It's all part of it, though. Oops, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's fun.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm the fabricator slash the machinist.
Oh, yeah? So your hands are on all of these.
Pretty much.
What a place.
Yeah,
It's peaceful in a way, too, you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well,
Also spotless.
Oh, everything, yeah.
well, wait till you get to my working area. Different story. But I've
Well, you know where the spots are, so you.
like 17 things going on at once.
Yeah.
You know, it's crazy, but yeah, no, it's great work.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Can't complain.
Yeah, definitely. Wow.
We had some. Where's the TRC? It's gone. Yeah. Oh, he took it home.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He drove it home.
Shucks.
He drove it home.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 2 of them here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, just like yesterday, we go to the mall shop.
Smells right.
This is my favorite.
Oh, the Maz, yeah.
First one, young man. How's it going, John? Another day. Another day.
Sounds rough.
Another day. It's just another day.
Yeah, just
Another day.
oh
like
my
yesterday.
God.
It's just like yesterday and the day before.
Yeah, I'm working on the brakes. No, I just rotate the tire to the got that off. I'm gonna do the fender wells. I got that off. I'm gonna take the engine out.
Maybe we'll take the
It snowballs.
stop. Just take the whole car apart.
So beautiful. This shop is wild. This place is a dream. Oh, this place is like. Can I get a sleeping bag? Jesus. He has a storage next door. It's not just this. That's crazy. This is insane, dude. This Maserati is crazy. The color on the GoPro does not do justice.
You can't buy it.
Yeah, look, don't touch. That's the first thing my parents would say walking into a store. Look, don't touch. Oh my God. This is insane.
Yeah, you'll see that I have the hood next door. This is a 1-to-1 print of the
Oh my
the hood of that car. Check out the story.
No way.
Guys, this is dope. So wait, you gotta start here then.
Yeah, let's do the whole tour. Oh, it's like
This
laminate.
guy's a San Francisco artist, instructor.
Yeah, I want this.
Dude, this is sick, dude.
Hunter. So this is
Oh.
you can go this route and pay like top dollar for a correct everything.
Yeah, but it's
That's not going to satisfy any of your.
Yeah.
Like,
but it's nice.
You're gonna feel kind of how I feel about Shackleford.
Yeah, no, I couldn't.
I've never seen so many Maseratis, man. On one roof, it's crazy. Things I've never even seen before.
Yeah, 100%. I had never seen a 2000 GT until
Yeah.
the first time I ever saw it. And like a bunch of these Ferraris and stuff like that, I had no idea. It's beyond me.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
My mouth is so dry because I'm breathing. Huh?
That's the real deal or the shit?
I don't know.
I think everything seems legit to me, man.
Probably.
I don't see GM on anything.
Yeah. Yeah, this is.
Yeah. Yeah, they got plaques on them, man. Like authenticity plaques. This.
So there's authenticity what?
Yeah, you can see the plaque on top.
Oh, the plaque?
Yeah. Dude, they don't make it like now. Everything is so like handcrafted, you know what I mean? Now everything's just like machine built.
I mean, this is a race car.
Yeah.
This is legit old school
It's,
race
yeah.
car.
A lot of big machinery in there. No, it's just like.
Damn, look at this one. Damn. Get some lift in your life. Look at the curve, it's aerodynamic. The aero kit on this one, man. What are those? 1.5 rims? Dude, this is like a photographer's dream in here, man. Every angle. Look at them horns, man. Yeah, everything. It's crazy. You see the labor rate? 195. Not bad. Man. Yeah. Is this wood? Is this just a template or is that supposed to be wood? You see that? The door panels too, everything.
Well, I mean, this.
Look at them. Man. Oh. Not a speck of dust on these things too.
And I didn't get to experience that. We were commuting on the freeway. How nice the car was. Race car. And how easy it shit. Like, if you just drove it at 3,000, I mean, if you're not going to it's a really nice car. It's like, at 3,000.
That interior is perfect.
It's got a Cosworth BDX in it.
Wow.
It's only 210 horsepower, but it's shooting 11,000 RPM. This thing is so badass. Well, I don't know anything. The sound.
How much this car weighs?
Not much. I don't know.
Nothing, yeah.
Probably 20.
You would not expect that.
Yeah. It's a magnesium block, aluminum head, you know. Engine's super, super light.
Wow.
Probably threw the balance out, replacing it with a cast iron engine, you know. Yeah, this thing's fucking cool.
Oh, yeah. Every little piece of this building is cool. It's like everything is fun. What a weird day, man.
Yeah, we thought Cars and Coffee was
Yeah, like,
This is blows everything away.
right? Just everything's just immaculate, too, though. You know what I mean? Yeah. This Miata's immaculate. Yeah.
Little Mazda.
Dude. The interiors are just.
You know, to a couple hundred horsepower more. But now Rafi's rebuilding the motor with new turbos and all this, you know, contemporary stuff. So I mean, it'll be adjustable from
All
like
dialed in,
5
yeah,
to
for
700 depending on how much boost you want and where you're running it. Yeah. Wow. So this thing is sick, and it started life as a narrow body.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's got those flares on
Yeah,
it. So
yeah,
it's a
yeah.
narrow body, which is what a GT2 would have been. Right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's a
yeah,
narrow
yeah.
body with a turbo motor and rear wheel drive, and it's got the GT2 front suspension on the authentic GT2 Aero, and then seats and wheels and an upgrade, like, you know, essentially like turbo brakes. I mean, it's this thing fucking works.
Yeah.
So, you know, I mean, just think of it at like 600 horsepower.
That's insane.
And 3,000 pounds and 6 speed and incredible handling
Yeah.
and stopping power and Nixon
What
driver.
more do
It's
you
a real-
what do you need? You know?
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
I mean, that's it. Like, that's the ultimate air-cooled car.
Yeah.
Right there, you know?
man.
The motor's been in process for far too long.
Oh yeah. I don't think I've ever been like jaw dropped in my life.